Next up, we have Robinhood, which might not be the first name that you think of when it comes to crypto, but hear me out. Robinhood is a popular commission-free stock trading app with over 20 million users, but they also support the trading of other assets like crypto and even options and futures trading too. But unlike the others that we've covered so far, Robinhood is only available to US citizens. So right off the bat, if you're not from the United States, you won't be able to open an account here. As far as cryptocurrencies go, Robinhood supports the trading for about 25 different digital assets, with some having limited availability in specific states like New York. And look, while this is significantly less than a lot of their competitors, they support the majors like Bitcoin and typically have a pricing advantage too. In addition, if self-custody is your style, they also have the Robinhood wallet as a self-custody way to manage your digital assets and hold your private key. Robinhood does not directly collect fees on crypto transactions outside of the normal network fees that are required for all crypto transactions. However, they do get compensated through something called smart exchange routing, where basically Robinhood earns a kickback. But you don't pay for this directly or anything like that. They've actually created an interactive tool where you can look at a cost breakdown of Robinhood compared to others, so let's take a look at that together now. So guys, here we are on the Robinhood crypto page. If we scroll down here, we can see that they have a cost comparison tool looking at different purchase amounts and different types of cryptocurrencies. So right now it's looking at $10 of Ethereum and how much you would get across these different platforms. So in this case, if you bought it on Coinbase, you'd get actually 8% less roughly, and then you can see with crypto.com, you'd get 0.66% less. So you can change these numbers around, but let's say, for example, you were buying $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. Well, in that case, you would still get the best deal on Robinhood. You end up with about 2% less on Coinbase and a little bit less across the board looking at these different ones. So again, you're not going to find the biggest selection on Robinhood, but if you are just looking to have the major cryptocurrencies in your portfolio, this might be the most cost-effective route, and you can send and receive them once you're fully verified. That means you have full control over your crypto. So guys, overall, if you're looking to trade the major cryptocurrencies, you're probably going to get your best bang for your buck out of Robinhood. And the best part is you can even get a free fractional share when you open up a new account using my affiliate link, which is ryanoscribner.com/Robinhood. This will get you a free fractional share worth up to $200, and there's actually a list of 20 different companies that you get to choose from. In addition, I have a full Robinhood tutorial for beginners that's going to walk you through everything step by step, so I'm going to put a card in the corner as well as a link in the description below.